what I really wanna do to you. Contemplating, it's relating, bodies unsheathing. Ooh, falling and falling slow, falling and falling slow.
Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how I get my Mega Puff. And the first thing you'll need, well, that I have, you're going to need some kind of water, but I have my aloe vera spray. And I have this Shiny Jam Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Styler. It's pretty much a gel. This will be my first time using this particular styler. Have my brush. You'll need some leave-in conditioner as well. Some edge timer for your edges, and do not forget your edge brush or whatever you use to do your edges. So the first thing I would like to do is stretch out my hair a little bit with my hands, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my aloe vera spray. So you can watch the rest of this and see my results at the end.
Chips down, my mama said, boy, that's the time to stand up. Them bootstraps, you pull them up with your head command up. A closed mouth, don't get fed, be careful of handouts. You better put your bread up in case your cake don't pan out. Stack chips, Rescue Ranger, Chippendale, no strip tease. Snowball, chance of hell, meant to fail. Bitch, please, look. No long shot, this a layup, land the rim 2 feet. Better cross your heart if it cross your mind, and you ever get to think about crossing me. I'm a living legend, I'm a legend. 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 I'm a living legend.
No shortcuts, no cheat codes, no mentors, just beast mode. No nepotism, just repetitions. I'm reptilian, Bruce Leroy. Born with my back on the bricks, but I turned them food stamps into Clico. I was in the mud with my cleats on, but I made it all look like free throws, yeah. I'm what the wannabes wanna be, knocking down any obstruction in front of me. Wanna see come for me, thundery. Even the younger me shocked at what has become of me. My energy plummeted, hard to believe. Knocked to the ground, I got kicked in the knees. Rose to my feet, now I float like a butterfly, sting like you already know. I'm Marvin Gaye on any beat that you bring. I can't even sing. Fight for the people until we all equal. Martin Luther the King. I does it all. Just give me the ball. I go hard for the team. It's all for the team. Only thing left is to bring home a ring.
I'm a legend. I'm a living legend. I'm a legend. I'm a living legend. I'm a legend. I'm a living legend. I'm a legend.
2010 thought I was doing something, and now I'm rapping with a crew or something. I guess the track don't really stick unless he's gluing something, and I never fit the shoe until I do or something. Yo, bracing myself like teeth, boy, it's the same old route on some new concrete. But homie, these tunes make you get a new ID. I'm trying to do my thing, but the commute ain't cheap. I'm on a 2-day week for all this rap these days, and we can still pitch the track to all the whack DJs. We're singing happy days, wearing tacky J's, and I'm just pumped that I made it out my nappy phase. Let's go. We can turn the whole world